Shalom Chavrim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration, or if you like, a tutorial, on how you use Pizap, P-I-Z-A-P, which is a photo collage free iOS or Apple app that can be used for Judaic instruction. In this case, we selected a collage of pictures of the faces of different kinds of Jewish people, and we also wrote some text that said many different faces of Jewish people around the world. So I'm making a couple assumptions, one of which is that you have an iOS device such as an iPad or iPad mini or an iPhone, and that you also know how to download the free app onto your iOS device. So with this in mind, let's show you actually how we use Pizap to be able to create photos that have Judaic themes. Obviously, you could use this to share collages or photos related to Israel, the Hagim, even look at Midot and show pictures of different Midot. You could look at Jewish history, etc. So with this in mind, let me show you how we make a Judaically themed collage by using Pizap. Okay? So let's first get to the photo collage tools, and let's find Pizap. Okay, so Pizap is located right up here, and I'm going to tap on that, and here we see Pizap, and I'm going to tap on that as well, and we're going to make a collage. Okay, not going to edit something from before. So let's click on Collage, and that'll give us lots of different choices. And we have different layouts. We have circles, heart shapes. I'm going to click on rectangles, and you have many, many different rectangles you can choose from. So let's make this really simple. And let's select, I'm not going to select exactly the same one I had before. So let's say we select this one right over here, okay? Which involves placing 5 different pictures. Okay, so let's click on that. And let's find different pictures that we want to add. So let's click on one of those squares. Let's click on Photos. See, photos are up here. Okay, so we'll click on Photos, and we want to find 5 different photos of many different faces. Now I'm just going to select any photos. Okay, I'm not going to necessarily recapture the ones I had before, but I think this was one of them, and we said we wanted to have 5. This would be 2. We'll say this is 3. This is 4, and we'll say this is 5. Okay, when we're finished, we hit done. You see where done is up here? Okay, now we hit done, and we should have pictures of all of these Jewish faces. Now we have we can edit the collage, we can have effects, we have text, stickers, different borders. Okay, I'm going to click on text. So I'm going to tap on text, and I'm going to select an object for which I want the text. Let's click the first one over here. See this one here? Let's click on that. And let's say many, okay, different faces of the Jewish people around the world, okay? Okay, and when we're finished, we go here and then we hit OK. You see where it says OK up here? So we'll hit OK. Okay, it says many different faces of the Jewish people around the world. And that looks fine. And let's hit OK. And then let's hit save. You see where it says save up here? We're going to save that. And we have lots of different choices. We could save it to our photos and email and other apps, Twitter, Facebook. If we want, we can add a caption. So let's add a caption over here. We'll just say many different say Jewish faces. Okay, that'll be the caption. And we can then hit save. All right. And it's complete, so we'll hit yes. And that's how you do it. And then it should be placed in your photos. Let's see if it's on my photo roll. Okay. Well, here it is, right? This is the one we just did. So what have we said? What we have said is that Pizap, P-I-Z-A-P, is a photo collage iOS or Apple app that you can invite your Judaic students to utilize and share collage photos related to some Judaic theme. In this case, we did faces of Jewish people, but you could use it for Chagim, Midot, the Tanakh, Jewish history, Israel, etc. Thank you so much.